Have you ever wondered what happens behind the massive doors of a Coca-Cola factory? How does a simple mix of syrup, carbonated water, and a few mysterious ingredients turn into the world's most iconic fizzy drink? Well, today, you're going to get a behind-the-scenes look at the entire process, from secret syrup to the cap on the bottle dot, and trust me, by the end of this video, you might start appreciating your Coke just a little more. Let's dive into the world where fizz meets flavor. The secret formula BJ1. Let's start at the beginning, the syrup. Now, this isn't your average kitchen syrup that you pour on pancakes. This is Coca-Cola's ultra-confidential, world-famous concentrate, known to only a few people on Earth. Rumors say that the original recipe is locked in a secure vault, and not even the factory managers have full access to the entire formula. The syrup is delivered in unlabeled metal drums and is immediately taken to a separate chamber, far from public eyes. Security? Top-notch. Transparency? 0. It's like a secret agent just entered the building. Once the syrup enters the mixing chamber, it's measured with digital precision. Even a slight variation could throw off the flavor, and that's not acceptable when you're serving billions of customers. The magic of carbonated water. After preparing the secret Coca-Cola syrup, the next essential ingredient comes into play: carbonated water. This is what gives Coke its signature fizz and refreshing bite. The carbonation process involves injecting carbon dioxide, CO, gas into highly purified water under high pressure, creating the bubbly sensation we all love. But before that happens, the water must go through an intense purification process. It's filtered using UV light, activated carbon, and reverse osmosis systems to remove every impurity. By the end, it's often cleaner than most bottled waters on the market. Once the water is ready, it's time for precision blending. The syrup and carbonated water are mixed in giant stainless steel tanks using exact ratios. Even the slightest error can change the flavor, so high-tech sensors and automated controls ensure everything stays perfectly balanced. The result? A perfectly fizzy, sweet, and iconic drink that tastes the same whether you're in Tokyo, Karachi, or New York. Inside the factory, this stage fills the air with a unique aroma, a mix of sweetness and nostalgia that feels oddly familiar to Coke lovers around the world. Time to fill them up now that the perfect formula is ready. It's time to move to the bottle filling area. Here, thousands of empty bottles arrive every minute, and it's a sight to behold. But before they touch even a drop of Coke, each bottle is given a thorough rinsing session. A high-speed water jet cleans the insides to remove any dust, particles, or stowaway bugs. Just kidding? Or are we? The bottles are aligned using conveyor belts and robotic arms that seem to dance in rhythm. It's like watching a perfectly choreographed routine. High-speed nozzles inject the Coca-Cola mixture with unbelievable precision. Each bottle is filled to the same level within a margin of less than 1 millimeter. Too little? It's underfilled. Too much? It's a mess. Coca-Cola doesn't allow either. The capping and sealing SDA. Once the bottles are filled, it's time to seal the flavor inside. And this has to be quick. Carbonation waits for no one. The bottle caps are sterilized and placed into covers. Machines that seal them at lightning speed, one bottle every 0.15 seconds. That's around 400 bottles a minute per machine. The sound of bottles clicking shut is oddly satisfying. It's like the drink is saying, "I'm ready, take me home." For cans, the process is slightly different. After filling, the lids are sealed using a method called double seaming, which ensures there's no leakage, no contamination, and no loss of fizz. The labeling process after bottling and sealing. Coca-Cola enters its most recognizable phase, labeling. This is where the drink gets its iconic red and white identity. Using ultra-fast machines, each bottle and can is carefully wrapped or printed with the Coca-Cola logo. But it's not just about speed. Precision matters. High-speed cameras scan every container, checking for misalignment, damage, or printing errors. If anything is even slightly off, that bottle is immediately removed from the line. considering Coca-Cola sells over 2 billion products daily. Maintaining perfect branding across the globe is more than a routine task. It's a precision-driven science. Even seasonal or limited edition designs, like those for holidays or events, go through the same rigorous checks. Because for Coca-Cola, the brand is as important as the taste. Every label, every curve, every color, all checked, verified, and aligned to perfection. Quality control, because perfection is a PRMIC once labeling is complete. Coca-Cola bottles go through a rigorous quality control process to ensure every single drink meets global standards. Advanced sensors, cameras, and infrared lights scan each bottle to check for defects, whether it's underfilled, overfilled, or capped incorrectly. Special machines also test the pressure inside the bottles, making sure the carbonation level is just right. But that's not all. Random samples are picked and taste tested by professionals to confirm the flavor is perfectly balanced. This isn't just about safety, it's about consistency. Coca-Cola wants every sip to taste the same, whether you're in Pakistan, the USA, or Japan. That level of precision comes from over 100 years of innovation and refinement. So, next time you enjoy a chilled Coke, remember, behind that simple bottle is a highly controlled process designed to deliver perfection, one fizzy sip at a time. Packaging ready for the WORL after passing quality checks. Bottles and cans are ready to be packaged for distribution, whether it's 250 milliliters mini bottles or 2-liter family packs. They are stacked neatly in trays and wrapped in plastic. These machines are designed for speed and efficiency, packaging more than 20,000 units per hour with almost no human interference. Even the cardboard cartons used for bulk transport are designed to keep the bottles secure, upright, and chilled for longer. Every unit is barcoded, time-stamped, and tagged with the production batch number. This ensures full traceability, just in case there's ever a problem. Cans vs bottles. The taste DBA. Let's pause for a second. Have you ever felt like Coca-Cola tastes better in a glass bottle? You're not alone. Here's why. Glass is non-porous. It doesn't interact with the drink at all. Plastic and aluminum, on the other hand, can slightly affect the flavor depending on temperature and storage. So if you're a taste purist, the glass bottle is your go-to. But hey, cans chill faster. Bottles are easy to reseal. It's all about your vibe. A global legend. Coca-Cola's story began in 1886 inside a small pharmacy in Atlanta, Georgia, where it was first sold as a medicinal tonic. Back then, no one could have imagined that this modest drink would grow into the most recognized beverage on the planet. What started as a simple carbonated syrup has now evolved into a global symbol of refreshment and happiness. Today, Coca-Cola is sold in over 200 countries, with millions of bottles consumed every single day. From cricket stadiums in Pakistan to backyard barbecues in the US, and street cafes in Europe to vending machines in Japan, Coca-Cola has become a universal language of celebration. But what makes it truly remarkable isn't just the drink itself, but the massive system behind it, an incredible blend of science, technology, marketing, and logistics. Every bottle represents decades of innovation, global reach, and consistent quality. It's not just a beverage, it's a cultural icon. And even after more than a century, Coca-Cola continues to adapt, evolve, and refresh the world, one fizzy sip at a time. Bonus FACTs. In World War II, Coca-Cola set up bottling plants near soldiers to boost morale. The Coca-Cola Company owns over 500 beverage brands globally. The red color of Coca-Cola isn't just iconic. It was originally used to distinguish it from alcohol barrels during transport. Over 10,000 soft drinks from Coca-Cola are consumed every second around the world. Mind blown. So the next time you pop open a Coke and hear that fizzy hiss, remember, it's not just a drink. It's the result of decades of innovation, chemistry, and precision. From top-secret syrups to robotic arms, and from cap to cardboard, every bottle has a story. And now, you know it, If you found this Coca-Cola journey fascinating, hit the like button, share this with a fellow foodie. And don't forget to subscribe to Food Factory for more amazing behind-the-scenes looks at how your favorite foods and drinks are made. This is Food Factory, where flavors meet facts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next delicious video.